In this video, I'm going to show you how to protect a PDF without a password. Most applications that are used to create PDF documents, like Adobe, use passwords as a means of protecting the document. Instead of using passwords, we use a secure and transparent key management system. By using this method, there are no user passwords to enter, share, or remember. So now I'll give you a quick overview of how to create a protected PDF and some of the features available when securing and protecting documents. First, open Windows Explorer. Locate the document you wish to protect. Right-click on the PDF and choose Make Secure PDF. In the PDF Writer, select the Document Access tab. Here we can select who the document can be used by. All customers, selected customers, then allocating the individual customer access later as required, or customers belonging to a publication, and then select the publication. Next, in the Expire and Validity tab, you can set the controls for the document expiry by setting it to expire on a certain date or after a certain number of days after first use. Further below, in the Verify Document Access, these controls determine how the document reacts with the server, depending on what restrictions are being applied. Next, in the Printing and Viewing tab, Allow Printing is deselected by default, but if you do wish to allow printing, you can set up your preferences here, including the ability to log print requests. Below in the Viewing area allows you to limit the number of views, log document views, and disallow annotation creation should you wish. In the View Watermarks area, in Text Watermarks and Image Watermarks, you have the option of adding permanent and dynamic watermarks. Text watermarks are fully customizable using both free text and preset system variables, and control over font settings, watermark positions on the page, and opacity settings for the watermark. Here you can even choose whether you wish to add the watermark to the first page of the document or not. In print watermarks, the same options are available. Under the Environmental Controls tab, screen capture is disallowed by default, but you can allow screen capture and add a screen mask if you wish. Lower down, you have control as to whether you allow use on thin client and virtual environments, and whether you want to disallow use on Mac, iOS, or Android systems. So that was a very quick overview of the PDF Writer and shows you the choice of settings you have in order to protect a document. Once you've set all the settings as you wish and you're happy, all you have to do at that point is press Publish. Once you press the Publish button, your PDF file is encrypted and the DRM controls you have selected are applied. The protection status window appears and confirms that the protection has succeeded. Click OK. The protected document now appears in the listing underneath the original PDF. Please note this now has a .pdc extension. This is now a protected PDF file, which can only be opened with a LockLizard secure PDF viewer. For users to open DRM protected PDF files, you first have to create a user account on the Safeguard admin system. See the following videos on our YouTube channel: how to add a user to the Safeguard admin system, and how to open a protected PDF file. These cover how to add a user so they can view your DRM protected PDF files and how users open them. We will now show you how the PDF is opened by an authorized user. If you double-click on the document, the Safeguard Secure Viewer will open and load the document. Please note that there are no passwords for the user to enter. Protected PDF files are securely and transparently decrypted following authorization from the licensing system. Once a user has been authorized, they can continue to view protected PDF files offline if the document publisher has allowed this. There we are. We now have access to the encrypted document, viewing it through the viewer. Okay, so once you're happy with that, Close the viewer, close Windows Explorer.